Hello, and welcome to South Florida Realty Pro's Advanced Search tutorial. Using the advanced search features on our website will allow you to filter out properties that don't meet your criteria. This will save you a lot of time and a lot of aggravation. So let's get started. First thing you're going to do is sign into the website. This will be your email address that you registered with, along with your phone number, which acts as your code. And this is my contact information. If you have any questions, you can email me or call me at 561-703-9667. And by the way, my name is Aaron. I'm the owner broker of South Florida Realty Pros. So you'll click login. As soon as this box disappears, there we go. We're going to go up to save searches. You may already have one that says save search. That may be your default search when you first signed up to the website. So click on that. This will be your library of searches, and you can have an unlimited amount. So if you want to search Boca Raton, certain price range, you can save that. You can then do a separate search for Boynton Beach, etc. So what we're going to do is just go create new search. You can choose any of the cities along here. We don't service every city here. These are most of the cities in Florida, but we do service the southeast area, Palm Beach, Broward, and Dade County. For this example, we'll do a multi-city search. We're going to hit Boca Raton. You can see that this little subdivision box has changed. What it's done is populated all the neighborhoods / subdivisions in Boca Raton. We're then going to choose Boynton Beach, hold down our control key, and now we have 2 cities selected. You can select as many cities at once as you want. And this is also updated now to include subdivisions in Boynton Beach and Boca Raton. The next thing you want to do is select what type of property, single family home or a condo townhome. This also includes, condo townhomes also includes villas, which are single story homes that have an attached neighbor right and left, similar to a townhome. We're just going to do single family homes. You need to select a price range. We're going to do 400 to 500,000. We're going to decide how many bedrooms we have to have as a minimum. It's going to be 3 bedrooms minimum with 2 bathrooms. Anytime you see the plus sign, that indicates if there's more than 3 bedrooms, it will show up as well. We're going to choose that we want to have a pool. And this is an important selection here. HOPA means 55 plus communities. So if you have children or have children visit you frequently, you probably want to choose no HOPA. Some of these communities, if not all of them, have restrictions that no children can live there more than 60 days a year. There are a few exceptions, so if that's what you're looking for, please contact us to help you. But we'll do no HOPA. These will show us just family communities. The other important selection is going to be membership equity. This is referring to country clubs. If you want a country club lifestyle and the expensive fees that go along with it, awesome. It's a great way to live. If you don't want that, then you just choose no, and that should filter out all the country clubs. Now we're just going to hit search. And there are 80 properties that meet the basic criteria that we put there. If we didn't make some of these selections, you would probably end up seeing multiple hundreds of properties, and that just takes a long time to go through to find what you're looking for. A few things that I like to do is I like to change this sort by. I like to go from newest property to oldest. This shows me the newest listings on the market, back on markets, or price changes at the top of the list. That way, if you use the same search over and over again, you don't have to keep seeing all the same old homes. You'll only see the newest on the top. That'll save you some time. You can select an address or an icon, and you'll see all the information about the property, description of the property, multiple pictures of the property. There's a little mortgage calculator here. So you can certainly scroll down and see the lot description. They're selling it unfurnished here. And it'll talk about what equipment is included with the house, the HOA fees, etc. So a lot of great information. At the bottom, you can add it to your favorites. You can request more information or schedule an online showing with us. If you make any of these choices, we'll receive an email right away and get back to you very quickly. Let's go back to results for a second. Another thing I like to do other than newest property to oldest is I like to use the interactive map. This enables me to see homes from a bird's eye view, their basic location. So if you want to be further east, then you would look at these little balloon icons. If you see something that you like the location, hover over it. It'll show you the basics of that property. If you want to see more, left click to lock it and just hit view more detail. Now you're going to see all the information available about this particular property, just like we showed before. Now if we go back to our map here, another cool feature about the map, we'll X out. Another cool feature is that you can actually scroll your map up and down, and now the system will search for properties that met your criteria. So you don't have to redo the criteria to look in different areas. So now we're all the way up in Palm Beach Gardens, where before we were down here in the Boca Raton area. Now, this is showing us 1 of 30 homes out of 133 potential. So if you want to see homes 31 through 60, click next. That'll update your list and the locations, of course, and then you could do that again. The last thing that you need to do is save your search. Just click Save to Search. We'll call this search Boca Boynton, and it was 400 to 500. We would like to be updated on a daily basis, so we're going to leave this at the default. If you want to receive email updates only weekly, then you would just choose weekly. When you're finished with that, you click Save. And now you can see we have 3 saved searches here. So if you click on that, this is the one that we just created. You can certainly view the results by clicking View. You can edit the criteria or change the name if you chose to. You also notice that we have 3 favorite properties here. This is the one that we added, this one is just a little while ago, and that categorized them by price. So that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us. Hope it was beneficial to you. Hope you get to use it. Have a great day. Thanks for your time.